Getting a secured card is a great move, but one of the best secured cards you can get is, of course, the Navy Federal secured credit card. Everybody knows Navy Federal is the best credit union on the planet, so why not get a credit card with them if you can? Makes sense, right? Now, stay with me to the end of this video and I'll show you how I managed to get a $25,000 cash rewards card as my very first credit card from Navy Federal. And plus, I'll also show you what helped me get my credit good enough to command such a high limit card. Now, don't worry, I'll keep this video as short as I possibly can so you can get all that information. Now, let's get into the video. Why get a secured card in the first place? Number one, you want to build credit history. The whole point of getting yourself a secured credit card is so that you can build your credit history and you want to show banks and credit card companies that you're responsible enough to handle a credit card. What you will do is you will get this secured card and you will pay it off every month on time, all the time, no excuses. That's building great history. You want to build a reputation of paying your credit card off on time, all the time, without being late. And by doing that, what you will do is raise your credit score. You're going to raise your credit score by building that good credit history with your on-time payments. And you're also going to make sure that you don't max out your secured card. Please don't do that. What you want to do is you only want to use 30% of the credit limit on your secured card. What do I mean by that? That's called credit utilization. Now, for example, let's just say, for example, now, you have $1,000 credit limit on this card. You don't want to use more than 30% of that $1,000, which means you do not want to use more than $300. You don't want to have, you don't want to carry that $300 over to the next month. In my personal opinion, you shouldn't carry any balance over to the next month with your secured card. I think it's my personal suggestion. I've had a secured card once upon a time too, and this is what I did. I didn't carry over a balance at all. I made sure my card was paid in full. I didn't have any balance. I left it at zero. I would use it and I would pay it off. Why? Because having activity like that to show that you're responsible in using your card, what Navy Federal Credit Union is going to do, they're going to take a review of all your activity and everything you've done. They're going to send it to TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. You're going to get your credit scores. They're going to look at all your activity and decide on upgrading your secured card to an unsecured card. And you want that to happen as fast as possible. Going from secured to an unsecured card is exactly what you want to happen. Because now that your card has graduated into unsecured status, you are now using Navy Federal's money instead of your own money that you deposited when you opened the secured card in the first place. Credit is all about using other people's money. But in this case, those other people are Navy Federal. Navy Federal has graduated your secured card into an unsecured card, giving you access to use their money. Congratulations. All right, let's take a minute to look at the secured credit card features and benefits for the N Rewards card from Navy Federal. All right, like I said earlier about upgrading your card from secured to unsecured, here is saying your account will be reviewed for potential upgrade starting at month 6. So, after you've done what you're supposed to have been doing and using your card responsibly, paying it off on time, preferably paying it off totally to zero balance every month. That's what I would do. That's my suggestion. But at month 6, they will start to review your account to see if they want to upgrade your card from being a secured card to a unsecured card. Let me see now. What else? No rewards limit. Spend more, earn more, continue to accrue more until you're ready to redeem. That's great. Redeem points for cash, gift cards, and merchandise. Hey, let me tell you, not a lot of secured cards offer rewards at all. So that's beautiful. I told you, Navy Federal was the best. And look, just like a regular credit card, you get cell phone protection when you buy your cell phone with one of these cards. Your Navy Federal credit card can provide extra protection for your cell phone. Simply pay your monthly cell phone bill with your, just pay your bill with your Navy Federal card. That's all. File a claim. Contact the insurance provider directly. Call one of these 2 numbers you see on the screen and follow the procedure. That's all. Collision damage. When you use your Navy Federal or MasterCard, you'll automatically have collision damage waiver coverage when you rent a car for 15 days or less. Another advantage of using the credit card, for all you people out there that use your debit cards instead of your credit cards, here are some reasons why you should use your credit card as if it were a debit card. The same money that you have on your debit card, use that money to pay off your credit card when you use it to make purchases. That way, you have activity going on your card, and as you're paying it off, you'll pay it off, and it looks as if you're having positive activity going on. You're paying it off regularly, on time, all the time, and you build that history. That's how the credit game works. They want you to use the cards, but you have to use it responsibly. Hey, I started off with a secured card, but I got a secured card from Bank of America. And that's what catapulted me to getting the credit scores that I have today. Okay, my scores today are hovering around the high 700s to the low 800s. So my credit score is pretty decent. Okay? But I can show you what I followed, the tips that I used to get my credit score up to this level. There's a link in the description in this video, under this video, where you could click that link and you can go get the tips that I used to help me get my credit to where it's at now. Like I said, I started from the secured card and I got to where I am now. And with those tips, I could basically show you exactly what I did. I mean, if I could do it, you could do it, okay? And like I said before, I'm going to show you how I was able to get a $25,000 cash rewards credit card immediately. I applied online at the Navy Federal site, and because my credit is where it is, I mean, they just gave it to me. My first credit card, $25,000. Can you believe that? First card I got with these guys, with Navy Federal. You know, the video should be right here somewhere on the screen. Okay, you click that video, and it'll basically, show you the proof that I got the card and what I did, and all the information you need right there. I told you if you waited till the end of the video, you'll learn how I got the card and what the tips are that I followed to help me get to the level that I am today. So go click that link in the description for the tips. Click this video that you see over here, okay? And until next video, be safe out there. See you next video.